Welcome to trackpro. You can access your trackpro account securely anywhere in the world. This is your job summary screen, which we call Workflow Manager. The central table illustrates the present position of your current workload. Locate jobs quickly using the search facility and monitor the workload of your subcontractors. We can view all our active claims and then scroll down to see the job details and the progress. trackpro's administration system allows you to control who has permission to enter new jobs. This could be internal staff or perhaps an external organization who is issuing the work. trackpro records when a job was entered and by who. This is shown as a first line of progress. Tasks are a very key element of the system and are the main method of communication, directed at specific users. They inform them that the action is required and at the same time alerts them by email. In one step, you have recorded when you have issued the task, what it is, who needs to deal with it, and when they were notified. This will appear as a second line of progress. Add notes in a similar way we issue tasks. Notes are used for updating the job file with relevant information. The main difference is that notes don't require action, so therefore no email is generated. Throughout the system, wherever text is entered, you have the option to run a spell check. The third line of progress has been entered. It's easy to upload any type of file to your trackpro server, thereby collating all your relevant photos, spreadsheets and documents with the associated claim. On the left you will see your local computer and on the right your trackpro server with the appropriate claim folder already open. All trackpro servers are located in a high security data center and are backed up on a daily basis. With very early smoke detection, 24-hour CCTV recording, full perimeter alarm and security card entry system, your data is secure. Being internet based, if you have a problem with your computer or you're just on holiday, your data is available to you at any time. Claim pictures and documents are located in View Files. Pictures paint 1,000 words. Site issues can be resolved more quickly, potentially reducing revisits and providing VO transparency. trackpro is also a powerful weapon in the fight against betterment issues and fraudulent claims. To organize your workload, you divide claims into their present positions by changing their status. Each status is user-defined. You and System Administrator set these to whatever best suits the needs of your organization. This status change of our demonstration claim, Mr. Brown, has been recorded in the progress screen. Workflow Manager divides claims into their present positions, simplifying the process of monitoring subcontractor performance and workloads. Quickly locate the claim using the search facility. External users such as subcontractors, loss adjusters, surveyors can only search for claims that they are involved with. It is important to understand that external users cannot see all claims, only the ones that have been assigned to them. You organize your users into groups. Groups control system access permissions. Internal users are automatically assigned to claims. External users have to be added by selecting from the drop-down box, but how you categorize your users and groups is entirely your call. Once you've selected the user, there is an acceptance screen to make sure you have assigned the right user to the right claim. You can add private notes and upload private files for each user who has been assigned to the claim. The ability to restrict who can see what gives you the confidence to transact with individuals or organizations and allow you to issue specific instructions. When you assign a user to a claim, by default, they are automatically sent a notification email. We will now switch to our mail client to view an email sent to our contractor. All the new job details are displayed in this easy-to-read format. The benefit of this is that trackpro will deliver the notification straight to your desktop, so you don't have to keep logging in to find out if you have a new job. trackpro alerts you. trackpro can help you monitor the cost of a claim. Your price and the subcontracted cost can easily be updated as required. To illustrate the difference between internal and external users, we will now log on to the system as A&A Builders. A&A Builders permission set by the administrator does not allow them to set up a new claim, and as an external user, they cannot see the workflow of others. To explore the true flexibility of the user permission system, we will now navigate our way to Mr. Brown's claim. You will note that the toolbar has only the basic functions. Once again, the system administrator has set the permissions so that they cannot complete, change status, edit, see costs, or see users. However, they have the new button, details and price. This allows them to see their private notes, private files, and their price. You may remember we issued a task to A&A builders earlier. If we return to the Workflow Manager, it appears in the Outstanding Tasks section. The response screen shows the claim details, who issued the task and when. We can now respond to this task. It shows here highlighted in pink. As when issuing a task, when responding, the person who originally sent the task will receive an email detailing the response. The system administrator can turn off the response to task email if required. We then post our response. It shows the date and time highlighted in green. Tasks are filed in their own sections, so you might have 5 tasks or 5 different claims, but all can be seen on the one screen. We will now log back in as a fictional manager. Let's navigate our way back to our demonstration claim. Once a claim is complete, we can reflect this in the system by pressing the complete button. The system will enter today's date by default. This can be changed and any final notes entered. trackpro will add a line to progress, and if we go back to Workflow Manager, we can see this has been filed in the complete section. Once a claim has been completed, it's not gone for good. We can resurrect it. This function is normally used when snagging issues arise or there's a problem with delay or payment. This claim can be reopened. A line will be added to progress, and if we go back to the Workflow Manager, it has been moved from complete back into in progress. Thank you for watching our trackpro demonstration. For all our contact details, please check our website. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.